natekere hejuru yo gukizwa.
I thought of how people get saved.
Sanga mbidefinisa mu magambo abiri.
I defined it into 2 words.
Agakiza ni iki?
What is salvation?
Ni deconnection.
It's disconnecting
na connection.
and connecting. Amen.
Reka nsubire mu Kinyarwanda.
Let me repeat it.
Ni ugucomokora.
It's disconnecting
no gucomeka.
and you connect.
C'est ça, mu buryo buri pratique.
Practically, that's how it's done.
Reka mbereke.
Let me show you.
Niyo mpamvu buriya dukishijwe,
when you will get saved,
dusenya umurage mubi tugasingira umurage mushya.
We destroy a bad inheritance and we
Bibiri iravuga
connect
ngo
to a good inheritance.
Yesu, reka mbere kuri Adamu.
Let me
Adamu
start
wa
from
mbere.
Adam, the first Adam,
ariwe muntu wa mbere.
as a first man,
afite umurage.
he has an inheritance.
Nubu gituma tugoka
And
ngo
the
nuko
reason why
nabo
we not
yararimbye aravuga ngo yewe Adamu wasiga warikora wasize warakoze ishano.
His song say, first Adam, you did an abomination.
Yesu aza,
and Jesus came.
ari Adamu wa nyuma.
He came as the last Adam.
ari umuntu wa kabiri.
And he was a second man.
Dore rero agakiza.
This is salvation.
Ni ukudeconnecta.
Is to disconnect.
Ni ugucomokora.
Is to disconnect
kugisekuruza gikomoka kuri
from
Adamu.
the genealogies of
kandi
Adam.
ubucomokoye no kumurage we.
It means you have unplugged to all his inheritance.
kandi abatarakizwa rero,
and those who are not yet saved, it means they have the genealogy that comes from it. They also have consequences. When I unplug, I also plug to somewhere else. And then I transmit a new inheritance. That is why I'm going to tell you this. When we receive Jesus Christ, we have been delivered from all the curses and all the consequences and bad inheritance. An abomination is having unplugged, and God has called you to give a good inheritance, but you still love your past. For they will still hold on to the things from the first Adam. Amen.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Tubwira abana bacu by'Imana yakoze.
We need to tell God of the good works that
tubabera icitegererezo bakareba ko ibyo tuvuga biri seriye.
That the things we talk about is serious. The third,
dukorera Imana
to serve God
kugira ngo tubasigire umurage.
So that we can leave them with a good
bazaza bagera igihe
inheritance.
bakishuza Imana
They
bakabwira ngo
can
Mana,
always go before God and proclaim their rights.
Imana ya mama.
And they say, you called our fathers. Let me tell you this. People who served God, they are never in a loss. And their inheritance does not stop on them only, but also to their descendants.